Removing a system board assembly. Remove the top cover. Remove the air baffle. Disconnect all the cables from the system board. Remove any of the following components that are installed on the system board. Hold the lift handle while lifting the release pin and slide the system board toward the front of the server. Lift the system board out of the chassis. To remove the system I/O board from the processor board, remove the screws that secure the system I/O board.
Note: the procedure used to separate a system I/O board from the processor board applies to the following ThinkSystem V3 systems. For demonstration purposes, an SR655 V3 system board assembly is shown here. To separate the system I/O board from the processor board, hook your left index finger around the plunger and lift it. Place both thumbs under the edge of the system I/O board and lift it approximately 3 to 6 degrees up from the supporting sheet metal. Use your thumbs to push against the sheet metal and use your left index finger to pull the system I/O board slightly away from the processor board. While pulling, use your right hand to stabilize the system I/O board and prevent it from rotating. Ensure the gold finger of the system I/O board is less than 10 mm away from the slot on the processor board, and then lift the system I/O board up. If you are going to replace the system I/O board, remove the firmware and ROT security module and micro SD card from the system I/O board.